everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how you can easily change your chat translation language in Palmon Survival. If you're trying to change the chat translation language in Palmon Survival so messages show up in your preferred language instead of random translation, here's how you can do it. First of all, launch open the Palmon Survival game on your device, and once you're inside the game, go to the upper left corner and tap on your avatar icon. Now, from the bottom of the screen, tap on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, select Language, and under Language, scroll down to Chat Translation Language and choose the language of your preference. After you select the language, you can now get back and click on Confirm. The game will then restart, and that's how you can change the translation language in Palmon Survival. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching.